Hey there! Let's learn a new word together. Before you start, please hit the like button if you enjoy our content and subscribe to this channel if you're learning English. Stay up to the end of this video and you'll learn a fun fact about the English language. Let's begin.
Gear. Gear means toothed wheel working with others. For example, a racing bike with 10 speed gears. A racing bike with 10 speed gears. Synonyms: gear wheel, toothed wheel, cog.
Awesome! You learned that quickly. Let's put it in some sentences to understand how to use it.
The first exemplar. A mechanical controller has gears and mechanical timers. Now, repeat after me. A mechanical controller has gears and mechanical timers. The second exemplar. Again, mechanical gears allow you to see the various orbits. Now, repeat after me. Again, mechanical gears allow you to see the various orbits. The third exemplar. Oddly, her head starts making mechanical noises like gears grinding together. Now, repeat after me. Oddly, her head starts making mechanical noises like gears grinding together.
Now let's learn an interesting fact about the English language.
The most used adjective in the English language is good. The most common noun in the English language is time, and the most mispronounced, and often misspelt, word in the English language is pronunciation.
Thank you so much for watching this video up to the very end. If you're not yet subscribed to our channel, hit the subscribe button below. If you're new to our channel, the links to our most popular playlists are below in the description. We've prepared playlists for different levels of English, and they're good for different goals that you might have. Maybe you want to take an exam, or maybe you want to improve your fluency. So check them out and see you very soon. Bye-bye.